Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Joel Peter and Happy New Year's to all. Today we're going to be taking a look at a PC that I am flipping. So I picked up this machine for 250 Canadian dollars. It did not have an SSD over here. It did have a 150 gig SSD that was an Intel one, which I was really surprised about, an NVIDIA GeForce GT210. But it's also really good to have one of these just in case it doesn't actually have integrated graphics. But they sell for about $5 to $20 on eBay. An i5 7500, 24 gigs of DDR4 RAM, an in-win PowerMan 350 watt PSU. I tried running GTA 5 on it and Overwatch and some low-end games, and it suffered. But also in this video, once we've gone ahead and built the computer, we'll do some benchmarks and I can show you all the performance. For the parts that we are adding, an RX 570 4GB card. I paid 130 Canadian for this. So I mean, what else can you ask for? It's in excellent condition. It has the covers for the connectors. You've got the fans themselves. It's a twin frozer. So I mean, it's a good card. For the boot drive, we're gonna go stick with the 150 gig SSD, but I also have a 1TB Cuvo 870 drive. I've already installed some games to test with, so computers wouldn't flip as well without RGB fans, and I've heard really good things about GIM. So here's the fans themselves. All those, some screws. I've heard really good things about these fans actually, and I'm really impressed to try them out. My current computer has RGB a little bit. I have to admit, it does help sell a computer a lot faster. And now that we have all that dealt with, we're gonna look at the second last piece of the puzzle, and that is a Corsair CX550M. If you're gonna be making a decent profit off of a machine, you know, $100, $200, you wanna go with relatively brand new parts or gently used parts. Everything else in modern computing, solid state drives, they're pretty much good for a long time, but power supplies, they can go and you can get a dud sometimes. So it's always good to just pay the extra money, the extra 20 bucks or whatever, to get yourself a nice PSU. The last build I did, which we saw on the YouTube channel, which I used a CX650M. I just went with this one because it was a little bit cheaper, and this doesn't need as high end of a PSU. And the client, when they pick this up, can always upgrade in the future if they want to. Semi-modular is great because, you know, while you do get two cables that are long and unremovable, they can be positioned where you want. These ones, you can just use what you need, so. Obviously our cords are all self-explanatory. Just standard cables that we have. And then the most important part, power cable. And then we have, you know, our PSU screws, which are always gonna be good, and our zip ties. Always good to have them. I have some extra from my previous build. That's that. Now for the last one. The most important piece of our computer. This
is free real estate.
Is where it's all gonna go into.
Be quiet.
Pure Base 600, and it has a beautiful tempered glass panel. But there it is, that's what the masterpiece is gonna go into, and then we're gonna basically put our RGB fans at the front, so they all look nice, and it's gonna look really, really good. We'll have probably a push-pull configuration. Stock cooler will be fine because, again, don't plan to overclock it. It's a 7500, not a K-series CPU, and it's 7th gen, so you know, overclocking we wouldn't do anyways. And then we'll do the thermal and all that stuff too. Now in the next part of this, we're gonna go ahead and actually build it. If you wanna just see the performance of it, you wanna see the final build, you can look at the chapters. Now let's jump into this. looks good. So if you like this video, make sure to smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe for more Philippine adventures, and share this with your friends if they're looking to get into PC gaming. If people are trying to offer you iPads and they're trying to offer you Xbox Ones and iPhones and stuff, unless they're worth the value of your computer, don't take them. Remember, cash is king. Peace out.